Why Marma is important? Marma means life centers or prana points. Joint problems, back pain, cervical problems, sports related problems.
Hello, my dear friends, welcome back to Aga Siddhai Life. Hope you are all doing great. In today's video, Dr. Sebastian Lassa will explain about Siddha Marma therapy. The interesting fact is that today he is going to demonstrate a head therapy. So please watch till the end.
Marma therapy is a branch of Siddha system which involves special kind of therapy on vital points called Marma points, which is present inside our body. Marma science is originated from Dravidian culture and developed and used by our great Siddhas as a healing science. Marma means life centers or prana points. These are certain extremely sensitive vital points in our body. These are prana vayu. That is the vital energy which is transmitted to various parts of the body. Marma points are vital points formed by the union of bones, muscles, any one of tendon, nerves and blood vessels. When these vital points affected from any external force, it will lead to dearrangement of three humors. It will also affect Udal Tadus, that is, seven physical constants. There are 108 Mama points in our body. It is used to stimulate energy, heal disease, and boost our immune mechanism. Some of the Siddha texts which explain about Mama science are Marma Vagadam, Marma Nidanam, Marma Sutram, Nyarambu Sutram, Marma Kannadi, etc. Generally, marmas are classified into two, Padu marmam and Todu marmam. Padu marmam, it is 12 in number. A stroke on one of these points will make one unconscious. If the patient is treated not properly and made conscious in a particular stipulated time, it will become more complicated. We can do mama therapy in any paduvarma and made conscious. After that, other treatments are administered. Toduvarma. It is 96 in number. It is not dangerous. Strong stroke or punches can injure them. Toduvarmam classified into two, Asadhyamarmam and Sadhyamarmam. Asadhyamarmam. It is present in legs and hands. Sadhyavarmam. It is present in head, neck, anal part and lower abdomen. In Mama therapy, Marma points are stimulated by giving specific pressure. Thus, it helps to remove blockages from Marma points. Is giving physical and psychological relaxation and strength. This is a powerful process and a healing therapy that works with these subtle and sensitive energy points to open up prana channels in the body and stimulate a chain of positive events. Why Marma is important? Marma therapy is very powerful process and it works at many levels, physical, mental and spiritual. It has an immediate healing and relaxing effect on the body. It can create dramatic shift in the body. It will balance three doshas. There is a significant improvements in organ function, especially immunity, digestive, respiratory, neural, and psychological. You will get a relief from chronic or acute pain due to joint problems, back pain, cervical problems, sports related problems like sprain, spasm, dislocation, etc. For a healthier skin and a radiant appearance. This will help to release neurochemicals such as serotonin and melatonin for improved cognitive functions and deeper sleep. In short, detoxification at all levels. So, Marma therapy is very important for us. We should take Mama therapy at least once a year to restore our body and mind balance. We can work together to a healthy life.
Hope you all enjoyed today's video about Siddha Marma therapy. If you want to know more about Siddha, you can ask in the comment box. We will upload more videos about Siddha. See you friends. Take care. Bye bye.